Have you ever wondered how law enforcement accountability can be ensured in an age where technological evidence is increasingly vital? This question lies at the heart of an upcoming trial that is poised to capture the nation's attention. Picture this. It's October 8th, 2020. Marvin Harris, a resident of Virginia, finds himself in the midst of a situation that would forever change his life. He alleges that on this day, 4 deputies from Augusta County, namely Christopher Hilliard, Christopher Rosemeier, Charles Taylor Jr. and Jonathan Wells, subjected him to excessive force, resulting in injuries that would scar him physically and mentally. As Harris recounts his story, he speaks of being brutally attacked, sustaining injuries that included a broken nose, a fractured sinus cavity, a concussion, and a damaged eye socket. The severity of these injuries paints a chilling picture of the alleged incident. However, the claims against Sheriff Donald Smith were dismissed by a federal judge. He, along with the deputies, were not equipped with body cameras on that fateful day. This absence of video evidence has added an extra layer of complexity to the case. It raises questions about the mechanisms in place to protect citizens from excessive force and the role of technology, specifically body cameras, in ensuring law enforcement accountability. This trial isn't just about Harris and the deputies. It's about a broader issue: the conduct of law enforcement officers. It's about how the very people entrusted with the duty to protect can sometimes become the ones citizens need protection from. Let's not forget the allegations are serious. The deputies are facing a jury trial, a decision made by a federal judge who found that there was sufficient evidence to proceed. This trial will not only determine the fate of the deputies, but could also serve as a precedent for similar cases in the future. As the trial looms, the nation watches, waiting to see how justice will be served. How will the Augusta County Sheriff's deputy defendants fare in their trial? And will their mounting legal woes see true justice served against corrupt officers? In addition to Harris's federal lawsuit going to trial, one of the defendants, Deputy Charles Taylor Jr., also faces criminal charges of assault in an excessive force complaint from an unrelated individual. Taylor's criminal trial is set for February 29, 2024 at 11:30 a.m. in the Staunton General District Court. The civil case against the group of deputies and Taylor's criminal charges underscore the pressing need for a comprehensive review of law enforcement conduct and accountability mechanisms. It serves as a stark reminder that the quest for justice often is a complex and arduous journey. But it's a journey we must undertake to ensure that those who are meant to protect us are held to the highest standards of conduct. As we await the trial's outcome, one thing remains clear: the importance of transparency, accountability, and the absolute necessity for body cameras in law enforcement cannot be overstated. In addition to the charges against Taylor, Sergeant William Mickelay has also been charged with felony malicious wounding in Charlottesville, in another case of excessive force against Augusta County deputies. To stay up to date on the latest in police corruption news, subscribe to Breaking Through News on the Newsbreak app or at breakingthrough.com.